Well, folks, we are back on our... God, that is bright. That freaking water, dude. That shine... God, can't even talk. The freaking sun's beating off the water. Just... Okay. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Bad Bass Fishing. Today, we are at our favorite little lake, the Dink Diner, known as Lincoln Lake. I've got myself our mystery tackle box. If you guys haven't seen the mystery tackle box unboxing yet, check out the latest video. It was uploaded like a couple days ago. I'll put it towards the end of this video in the credits, so make sure to check that out and you can see what's inside this box. But I just brought it along because I don't want to bring a ton of tackle, and it's loaded with great fall/winter lures. I'm going to take these lures, throw them on my rod, catch some fish, hopefully. It's been a hot minute since I've caught a fish, and yeah, so I'll catch you guys on the GoPro. All right, well, it took us a second there because I forgot to put my SD card in my GoPro, so had to find an SD card. But we're gonna start out with the old jerkbait. I believe it's a Strike Pro. Yeah, Strike Pro suspending jerkbait. A really nice color too, a little kind of bluegill pattern. We're gonna tie this puppy on, throw the old jerkbait around. I believe the water is probably freezing cold. Son of a... But like I said, the water is freezing cold. So we're gonna throw on something that might cause a reaction strike, because these fish are probably not on a feeding frenzy anymore. Therefore, we need to throw something that'll cause them to bite, because we freak them out. So, the old jerkbait, the old favorite whitebird rod, little Cast King reel, a windy and cold day, but it's sunny, and it's like midday, so maybe the water warmed up a little bit and we can get some fish. We're gonna start off over here in the corner like we usually do. Crank it a couple times. Twitch, twitch, pause. Basically, we're just gonna be fishing in a cadence like this, because that's how you fish a jerkbait. You wanna twitch. I don't know, there's different cadences. I just go with the typical twitch, twitch, pause. You want to have a little slack in your line to get a nice little movement going on your jerkbait. You can pause it between 20 seconds probably. I mean, you can take long pauses if you want, but I don't know. I'm just not a very patient person, I guess, so I just like to twitch, twitch, pause for about 5 seconds, and then continue doing that until I get a bite. That would be jerkbait fishing 101 for you guys. And I found some leaves. Also, if you guys would like to get yourself a juicy little mystery tackle box, there's a link in the description, top of the description, that you can't miss, and it would help the channel, support me, and support Mystery Tackle Box. So if you guys are interested in getting some awesome lures for fall, winter, spring, whatever, make sure to use that link below to support me. Thank you. I guess while I'm walking around trying to catch a fish with the old jerkbait, I can just make this into like a jerkbait fishing 101 video, since I don't do very many videos like that because I basically just don't know how to fish. But you got your jerkbait. I use I believe this is a 7-foot medium heavy with a really soft tip here, or fast tip, and I don't know, actually it might be moderate. Let's see. Okay, it is a fast tip, but I throw that. I got 10-pound fluorocarbon. You want to have that crystal clear line so the fish can't see it, especially with the water being so clear today. It's a really good bait to be throwing off of points and stuff, but I'm just gonna fish it in the open water because there's not really any structure or anything in here to be throwing it in. It's all about cadence. The jerkbait mimics a dying bait fish. This one, kind of like a bluegill color, so you know, you want to match the forage of the body of water you're fishing in. There's different kinds of jerkbaits. You've got the hard jerkbait, which is like the one I'm throwing now, and then you have like a fluke style, which I actually have over in the box right now, and I might throw that a little bit, but it imitates a shad. Well, at least the white flukes do. But basically, you just throw it out. I like to reel it in a little bit, get it a little bit deeper in the water column because these fish are probably out deep. And then it's all about your cadence. Twitch, twitch, pause, or twitch, pause, twitch, just whatever you prefer. Why? Great. Explain how that happens. Oh, I think we had one pick it up there. We missed our first freaking bite. Feels bad. We've been out here for quite some time and we missed that one. What a sad feeling. Okay guys, as you can tell, I am back in my home and we did not catch any fish, unfortunately. But what's new? It's me. There's a reason why my channel's called Bad Bass Fishing. Random porch cat showed up again. He's been on my porch like every day. He was meowing at me, so I had to give him some attention, I guess. Show him some love. He wanted to be farming clout off me, I guess. Hey, what? Anyways, I'm gonna go over some of the main tips I tried to give, or key things you need to do when jerkbait fishing, even though I know I didn't catch any, but it happens, I guess. I fished there for quite a while, I couldn't catch anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a couple tips on how to fish the old jerkbait. So here's some tips. It's good for fishing cold, wintry waters when the fish are lethargic, not on a feeding pattern. You're gonna get a reaction strike when you're fishing a jerkbait, so that's always a good thing to fish for. It's good for catching suspended bass. A lot of those bass are just gonna be kind of hanging out. Just stop rubbing up on me, you little kitty. They're gonna be chilling, just kind of sitting there, real lazy. It's real cold, they don't want to go out and do anything. So it's great for targeting suspended bass. It's a great lure to be fishing near schools of fish, like schools of bait fish like shad, all that kind of stuff. Whatever forage you got in your lake or pond, whatever body of water you're fishing, it's good for fishing around big schools of those, because more than likely there's going to be fish chasing those schools. And lastly, use a rod that's about 6'10", 7 foot, around there. You don't want too long of a rod. And I use 10 to 12 pound fluorocarbon, so it's nice and clear. The fish aren't going to see it. It's not going to spook them. It's all about cadence. Use a twitch pause method. Any cadence you want, twitch pause, twitch. Just use a certain cadence that you like, and if you want, you can pause your bait for, however long you want. But sometimes that's the key. You got to figure out how long to hold your pause and stop, and how long to, or how many times to twitch. Will you leave me alone? But anyways, I'm gonna start on this fish tank project before it gets dark here, and maybe show a little bit of that, so this video is not 2 minutes long because I couldn't catch anything. So enjoy this little time lapse of me cleaning the inside and outside of this tank, and then in another video I'll clean and stain that wooden stand there, and hopefully we get ourselves a nice looking fish tank going and you guys can pick my fish. So stay tuned. Okay, wow. That tank is gonna be a lot more work than I thought. And my dog's barking at a cat, don't mind him. But holy cow. I don't even think I have half the glass cleaned right now, and I was working on that sucker for quite some time. Whew, so it's gonna be a few videos to get that sucker up and going, but we're gonna try to get all the glass cleaned. And then once we get that done, we're gonna clean up the wooden stand, restain it, make it look real nice, fix up some of the wood on it, and then we'll have to buy some parts for the fish tank, and then that's where you guys come in and you guys pick my fish, name my fish, we throw the fish in there, and voila, you guys are helping me out a ton. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. It is getting cold, it is dark. I'm done fishing, I'm done cleaning that thing for now. That's a whole nother video or 2 or 5 or 12, something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I didn't catch any fish, but I hope you guys can use my tips of jerkbait fishing and catch you guys some cold, wintry fish. But we're gonna end it there. So if you guys enjoyed, leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 1,000. We have a big rod and reel giveaway at 1,000. So if you want to be a part of that, subscribe. And folks, like always, stay hooked.